To make these Oklahoma-style onion burgers, we need to thinly slice one medium-sized onion. I am using a mandolin to get the onion as thin as possible. If you don't have a mandolin, use a knife to thinly slice your onion. The reason why we need to thinly slice the onion is because they need to cook at the same time as the burgers. And for a juicy, yummy burger, we know it only takes a few minutes. As for the beef, use 1 pound of 80 by 20 ground beef. Divide the ground beef into 4 equal portions. Then, with clean hands, shape them into meatballs, just like so. Do not make these burgers with frozen beef patties because the result will not be the same, okay? Then, season them generously with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper, both to taste. Season both sides by rubbing the burgers on whatever salt and pepper is left on the plate. We are using brioche buns. Go ahead and apply a little bit of butter to your buns before you toast them. Over medium heat, go ahead and toast your buns before you cook the burgers. We are using the same skillet. And once your burger buns have been toasted, set them aside. Now, using the same skillet, increase the heat to medium-high and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, add the burgers to the skillet. Using a potato masher, go ahead and mash your burgers just like so. Smash the burgers as thin as possible without losing their shape. Then add the thinly sliced onions on top of each burger. Smash the onions into the meat. Let them cook for about 2 minutes as the burgers get a nice crust. Then flip the burgers so the onions are under the burgers. Cook until the onions brown, about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add a slice of American cheese on top of each patty. Make sure to use American cheese so you get that ooey gooey cheese melting in the crevices of the burgers. If you are a burger lover, you must try this recipe. These Oklahoma burgers are so juicy and delicious. My mama didn't raise no fool. Where are you watching Kelvin's Kitchen from? Let me know in the comments down below. Once the cheese has melted and the onions are caramelized and yummy, transfer to your burger buns. These Oklahoma burgers are so juicy. They are yummy for my tummy. Oh, and one more thing. Get the full written recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. Serve your Oklahoma onion burgers with a side of fries and you're good to go. Air fried French fries, of course, cause I gotta watch my figure. There you guys have it, Oklahoma onion style cheeseburgers. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching, see you later, bye! Yeah!